What's up, dudes? What I have here for you today is a new ASUS Eee Note EA800, a note-taking device. That is one big box indeed. So, without any further ado, let's do an unboxing of it, shall we? Okay, so here it is, the ASUS Eee Note. It is a very big box. So as you can see, here's my design Z, and it is very small compared to this one. So let's take a look at the box itself. This is just one typical box. It is nothing special. So let's take a look what is inside it. Okay, I guess it is a device. Yeah, so it is. So let's take it aside for now. We also have a I don't know. Okay, so inside the box is some documents, most in Chinese or something. I also have here is the I also have here is something like a tube. Okay, so we have the charger, mini USB cable, and a pen. Here is the device itself. From the outer looks, it really like a normal book, but a bit heavy. And here's what if you open it. We have a screen cover here. Let's see it apart for now. Alright. And on the back we have I guess it is a camera. On the top of the device we have a pen, another one. On the bottom of the device we have a headphone jack, a mini USB port, a micro SD card slot. I think that is a speaker, and the power button. After quite a lot of effort, I have been able to remove the tablet from its cover, and as you can see, the device has a very premium looks and feel thanks to the metal back cover, but it also makes the device a bit, heavy. My first impression about the device is that it has quite a premium looks and quite solid, but that's all I can say for now. I promise I will have a review soon, so waiting for it. For now, ta-da!